1996, so it's been over 10 years that medicinal cannabis has been legal in the state of California. About a year ago is when the DEA came into San Diego and raided all the dispensaries that were existing at the time, confiscated all the patients' medicine and their records, and subsequently they came back about 6 months later in July and did the same thing. However, this time, instead of just stealing all the medicine, they actually came back with arrest warrants and arrested a lot of these dispensary operators and volunteer staff. We weren't part of that raid because we weren't open in December when they came initially. So instead of having them come in and raid all of our medicine, when they came back in July, they sent an agent who subsequently talked to my landlord by calling the for rent number on the building, and the message was relayed to me through him.
Paulie?
The message was relayed to me by my landlord via this agent that if we didn't shut down, then they would come back and shut us down. So that's why we closed the doors and have been, closed ever since then. And we opened the smoke shop in order to try and, keep the employees and maintain visibility in the community.